Hello dear students, I'm going to start with English grammar today, and the topic for today is pronouns. So in today's class I will be discussing with you about what are pronouns, and I will be also telling you about how to use pronouns in a sentence, or when to use a pronoun in a sentence. Okay, so let's begin. What are pronouns? Pronouns are used in place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. I repeat, what are pronouns? Pronouns are used in place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. So, basically, pronoun is used in order to replace a noun. Okay, why do we need to replace a noun? Okay, as I'm telling you that we need to replace pronouns are used to replace a noun, but why do we need to replace a noun? Okay, we need to replace a noun in order to make the sentences less repetitive. Okay, by using a pronoun we do not need to repeat the noun again and again in a sentence. Okay, in order to make the sentences more clearer we use a pronoun. Is that clear? So let us see in this example. Mr. Mohanlal is a driver. Mr. Mohanlal drives a school bus. So in this sentence you can see that we are repeating the noun here. Now which is the noun in this sentence? Mr. Mohanlal is the noun in this sentence, isn't it? So here in both the sentences we are repeating the noun, isn't it? Mr. Mohanlal is a driver. Mr. Mohanlal drives a school bus. So we are repeating it. Okay, instead of repeating we can use a pronoun here. Okay, how? Let us see. Mr. Mohanlal is a driver. He drives a school bus. So did you see that the sentence here has become shorter? Yes, after using the pronoun. Yes, and what is the pronoun that we have used here? It is he. Okay, so it has made the sentence less repetitive, isn't it? So pronouns are used in place of a noun or nouns in a sentence to make the sentences less repetitive. Is that clear? Okay, now there are many kinds of pronouns. Okay, but in today's class I will be discussing about only one, and that is personal pronoun. I repeat, it is personal pronoun. Okay, so what are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are used to replace people, place or thing to make sentences shorter and clearer. I repeat, personal pronouns are used to replace people, places or things to make sentences shorter and clearer. Okay, now some of the personal pronouns are I, we, it, they, you, he, she. Okay, so these are some of the personal pronouns that we will be discussing in today's class. Okay, I will be telling you in detail about how to use this personal pronoun in a sentence. Okay, I repeat once more, the different personal pronouns are I, we, it, they, you, he, she. Okay, so let's begin with each one of them. The first one is he. Now when do we need to use he in a sentence, or when do we use he in a sentence? When do we use the pronoun he? We use the pronoun he whenever we are talking about a male. Okay, whenever we are referring to a male person we use the pronoun he. For example, he is my father. Okay, so here father is a male, isn't it? So we are using the pronoun he here. Okay, he goes to the hospital every day. So here also we are using he because father is a male. Okay, we are talking about a male person. That is why we are using the pronoun he. Okay, so did you understand? Okay, the next one is she. When do we use she in a sentence? When do we use the pronoun she? We use the pronoun she whenever we are talking about a female, whenever we are referring to a female. Okay, we use the pronoun she. Now, who is a female? Do you know who is a female? A female is a girl or a woman or a lady. Okay, so whenever we are talking about a female, we use the pronoun she. For example, uh, Mrs. Sita is my mother. She cooks food for us every day. Okay, so here uh, we are replacing Mrs. Sita with the pronoun she. Okay, why? Because Mrs. Sita is a female. Okay, she is a mother, so we have replaced her with the pronoun she. Okay, so did you understand when to use the pronoun he and she in a sentence? Okay, the next one, let's discuss about I. When do we use the pronoun I? We use the pronoun I whenever we are referring to ourselves. Okay, for example, I am a girl. I go to school every day. I like to play. So here I am referring to myself, isn't it? So I am uh, using the pronoun I. Is that clear? Okay. The next one is it. So when do we use it? We use it whenever we are talking about one animal or thing. Okay, it is used for one animal or thing. For example, it gives us milk. Who gives us milk? It is the cow, isn't it? So it is an animal. So we are replacing the cow with it. Is that clear? The next one, it has green leaves. So who has green leaves? It is the plant, isn't it? So here also we are replacing the plant with it. Is that clear? Okay. The next one is we. We is used for more than one person. Whenever we are talking about, whenever we are referring to more than one person, okay, we use the word we. Okay, for example, we all love our friends. Okay, we all love our parents. So here we are talking about more than one person. When we are saying friends, okay, we mean many friends, isn't it? When we say parents, we are talking about mother and father, more than one person. Okay, so we had replaced it with we. Is that clear? Okay, the next one is you. Now when do we use you? When do we need to replace the noun with you? You is used for one person and also for more than one person. Okay, so you can be used for one person or more than one person. Okay, both singular and in plural form. For example, you are a girl. Here it is in singular form. Okay, we are talking about one person. You all are my students. So here I'm talking about more than one person. Okay, so I'm using you. So you is used both for one person or more than one person. Okay, and the last one is they. Now when do we use they? They is used for more than one person, animal or thing. I repeat, they is used for more than one person, animal or thing. Whenever we are talking about more than one animal, person or thing, we use the pronoun they. Okay, we replace it with they. For example, they are my grandparents. Okay, so grandparents here. We are talking about grandmother and grandfather here, so we are talking about more than one person, isn't it? So we are using the word they. Another example, they are playing. So here also, they are playing means many children are playing. Okay, so we have replaced children with they. Is that clear? So I hope you have understood when to use the different personal pronouns in a sentence. Okay, so let me just uh, once again just quickly do a recap of what I have taught you in today's class, what we had discussed today. Let's see. Okay, first of all, I told you the definition of pronoun. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is used in place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. Okay, then I had also discussed about personal pronouns, isn't it? So what are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are used to replace people, place, or thing to make sentences clearer and shorter. Okay, then I also told you that the different personal pronouns are I, we, it, they, you, he, she, isn't it? And then I had also discussed about each one of these in detail. I told you when to use these personal pronouns in a sentence. Yes, so I hope after watching this video you will be able to understand whatever I have taught you today. Okay, I hope you'll be able to do the exercises that are there in your textbook. Okay, thank you.